Welcome to this video tutorial on your best social media management tool. In this video, we will guide you through managing comments and reviews for your social media platforms using LikeIT Social. Engaging with comments and reviews is the key to building trust, credibility, and loyalty among your audience. It's a powerful way to enhance customer satisfaction and advocacy. Conversely, neglecting these valuable interactions can damage your brand reputation, resulting in lost customers and missed opportunities for growth. Remember, responding promptly and thoughtfully to feedback sends a powerful message that you genuinely value your audience's opinions and are actively attuned to their needs. Let's get started. First, log into your account. The dashboard is your starting point, providing you with performance metrics and insights to help you measure your response rate. Your aim should be to keep this response rate as close to 100% as possible. You can view your response rate data for any specific time period using the date picker. Now, let's navigate to the comments section located on the left menu. Here you will find all your businesses, with new comments highlighted by a red notification icon. The number next to the icon shows how many new comments you have received for each business. This also applies to reviews. This tool integrates with Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, so any comments you receive will be from these platforms. This allows you to manage your comments from one central location. Moving to the reviews section, the layout is similar to the comments section. Here, you will see the customer's review when you click on it. This section integrates with Google My Business and Facebook reviews. Please note that on Google My Business, some users may leave ratings without accompanying comments. You can still respond to their ratings to maintain an active dialogue. Once you've engaged with your audience's comments and reviews, you can return to the dashboard to see your progress. A 100% completion rate means that you've responded to all the comments and reviews you've received. This guide should give you a clear understanding of how to effectively manage comments and reviews on your page using the tool. Thanks for joining us.